Exercise 21. In the inequality above, 2.5x plus 1.75y smaller or equal to 30, x represents the number of copies of magazine X. So, magazine X. And y represents the number of copies of another magazine Y. So, y stands for the magazine Y. What does the number 1.75 represent in this context? So we have number of magazines multiplied by 250 plus the number of magazines of a second magazine of magazines Y multiplied by 1.75, that should be less than or equal to 30. So probably it seems that 30 is the amount of, let's say, dollars. And since we multiply the x by 250 and the y by 1.75, it seems that 250 and 175 are the corresponding amount of dollars one would need to buy each one of these magazines. So 250 is how much each magazine X costs, and 175 is how much each magazine Y costs. So that would be B, that says the price in dollars of one copy of magazine Y.